Hello, parents and students of Walnut Middle School. My name is Mr. Walkowiak. I am a financial literacy teacher, and I teach grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. And welcome to the 2020 school year.
Hey, I'm Mr. Techmeyer, and I'm going to be teaching you financial literacy this year. We're going to learn about cool things like income and expenses, scams and schemes, and how to make money on the stock market. So, excited to see you!
Hey guys, my name is Mr. Schultz. I am the band teacher. I'm going to walk you through first. This is the orchestra room. Mrs. Rishling is the orchestra teacher. She's not here right at the moment, but she will be here when you guys come to school. And then this is the band room where you'll come and play your instruments. Looking forward to seeing you guys.
Hi, I am Miss LaPalm, or Do Re Mi Fa Sol La. You can call me Miss La. I'm going to be teaching some general music classes as well as choir here in this choir room. And we also have with us Mr. Sandel.
Hello, I'm Mr. Sandel. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade general music and vocal music, including that's our choir that meets in the afternoons. So excited to see all of you guys. Will be in this room primarily, and also back here, we've got Mrs. Ruth Moore, who is our accompanist, who you'll see a lot of, and we do a lot of things thanks to her. So great to see you all, guys. We'll see you all soon, and we're excited to meet you.
Hi, I'm Chelsea Lease, Mrs. Lease. I am one of the PE teachers here at Walnut.
Hi, Mr. Harvey. Looking forward to seeing you guys.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Mr. Lease. I'm one of the FCS teachers. You 7th and 8th graders probably know who I am. 6th grade wise, we're going to do some nutrition, and obviously that does involve food. So we're definitely going to get some cooking in. Your trimester with me. You have me one trimester, not the whole year like other sport classes, but certainly we want to get that food in. That's the funnest days. That's where you learn the most, and who doesn't like eating food? 7th and 8th grade. 7th, we're going to have a few nutrition lessons, but certainly going to dive more into the cooking side of things. And certainly 8th grade, definitely I want to cook as often as possible. I'll have a few days, got to cover some other things, but cooking is what you guys get excited about. It's what I like. It's like I said, the funnest days. So looking forward to seeing you guys all. Have a great rest. See you guys.
Hi, I'm Lori Peterson. I will be teaching Family Consumer Sciences and Health, and I'm glad you're here this year in person, live and in person with me. In 6th grade, you're going to have a health class where you learn about healthy bodies, mental, physical, and social health. 7th grade and 8th grade are more of the FCS type classes where you'll learn how to sew using the sewing machines. You learn about architecture and interior design. I'm glad you're here at Walnut. We'll see you soon.
Hi there, I'm Bill Cavill. I will be your art teacher. This is the art space. We're getting it cleaned up. It's going to be a lot of fun. We got lots of cool things to do. We're going to be painting and sculpting and macheting and crafting and building and hammering and cutting and tearing and just having a really good time. I am very much looking forward to meet you all. I'm excited to see the great and amazing and creative things that you make. Talk to you later.
Hello, welcome. I'm Jackie Proctor. I am one of the 2 art teachers, and this is room 123. Welcome and come on in.
Whoa.
So if you're 6th grade, we're going to focus on basics like elements and principles of design. We'll do a lot of creating. We're going to talk about styles and art history a little bit, just so we have some different references. 7th graders, we're going to focus on careers. And 8th graders, we're going to focus on just getting really creative, finding your personal voice and things that are important to you to paint and draw about. So looking forward to this year with you.
Hello, welcome to Health. I am Miss Richardson. This is my first year here at Walnut. I will be teaching health to 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, and also an elective of athletic training. So I hope to see you all soon. I've got my mask ready and I can't wait to meet you.
Hello, I'm Mr. Sutherland, and I teach 6th grade aspiring innovators, and I teach 7th and 8th grade career and college readiness. New class to Walnut this year. Looking forward to seeing you.